Once upon a time, 4 cows lived in the village near the forest. They were very close friends who stayed together all day. They grazed the fields and roamed the forest together. Once the tiger in the forest saw them. Since then, the tiger tried to hunt and eat them. When the 4 cows were grazing together, the tiger attacked them. The cows together attacked the tiger and chased him away. After a few days, the 4 cows quarreled among themselves and started to graze separately. The tiger took advantage of this situation. When the cows were alone, the tiger succeeded in hunting them down. One by one, tiger killed them and ate them. So kids, what have you learned? The unity is a strength. Always we should unite. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the video.